Start again. Just along the fence area. Slowly. How many? Yeah. All the way along the fence area, boss. The weather is clearing out now. At least all plants here.
Because
They got rain.
plant it here, they said they will make a gate here. So we didn't put that long one, that yellow long one here. Yeah, but they said they'll make a gate, so we didn't let it. You can't have it here. And then from here,
From here all the way down. Very nice. Now I'm rain eddy, so it's gonna wet them, so they'll grow.
so this cotton's in between is the other one, and they come the long one, and they'll come to this.
All the way.
And this is the vacant area that we need some flowers.
Vacant area there we need some more flowers, boss.
So we just, otherwise I look for you.
Okay, rain is clearing out. Okay, yeah, Blondie.
Yeah, that's it.
So it looks very nice along the fence area. Okay, nice. Oh, what did you say? Over here they have
Over
to.
here is because they said that they'll make a gate here, make a gate to walk. So I was gonna plant that long one, the yellow.
What do you call it?
Yeah, that one there. Stand it there, but they said there'll be a gate, so I just left it.
Yeah, okay, I'm come back past them.
Yeah. This one here I was gonna put it